Alright, we made it to the school, and this is where we're going to be doing the lesson. Right over here, there's this awesome little cement spot, or asphalt spot over here at the school. Alright, we're about to do the lesson. We're going to work on the basics today. We got the setup going here. We're going to work on tic-tacs, carving turns, pushing, riding over cracks is a good spot. Learn how to ride over cracks over here. Alright, we just got done the skateboard lesson. Now it's time to skate to school. And we're gonna go over some trick tips on how to do pop shove it tail grab. Alright, the key to pop shove it tail grabs is you want to get low to the ground. And you want to like be able to pop the board up like a normal pop shove it. Ollie, pop up the board and flick your back foot, scoop it behind you, and the board's coming around. You want to grab the nose of the board and shove it back under your feet and land on it. One great place to learn how to pop shove it is like a flat ground where it's going up a little bit. Get a little extra pop like right here. You can actually learn it on flat ground too. Like smooth concrete is really good for pop. I learned it in a basement at a friend's house while I was skating at a birthday party. So I'm gonna do a pop shove it tail grab over the speed bump. Get some good shots of it. Dude, I got a bruised hip, and that hurts so bad. Yo! So it's also about pop shove it tail grabs, is they're actually not that hard. And when you learn them, you can do them up like Euro gaps, wherever you call them, up gaps, aprons. And remember to always wear a helmet and pads when you're learning new tricks. It's really easy because when you pop it, you get that rotation, you grab it with your hand's controlling it and shoving it back under your feet. You're stomping on it, bolts, and landing it. The lower you get, the easier it is with this trick. It's a good beginner trick. It's not like intermediate beginner trick. So one of the tricks is, as you're approaching like the up ramp or the Euro gap or whatever, you just want to get low to the ground. Like get low, really low, because when you pop that pop shove it around, you want to be ready with your hand down low to grab it. As you're going up the ramp, you're low, you pop it, and you're waiting for it to come around, and you want to almost do it as you're like doing a pop shove it. That last little turn you want to do with your hand. It comes around like a pop shove it. And if you're centered on your skateboard, you're going to land it. You want to be leaning too far forward, like over your toes. You want to be centered. And you want to push it on your feet and land bolts and land. Right way clean. And this is how the pop shove it tail grab for beginners. Now we're going to head out of the elementary school. Enjoy the last couple tricks. Alright, we just got done skating, filming the episode. This is where we did the lesson, tic-tacs, carving. We're out of the school. Got the tray flip, varial flip, kick flip to tray flip. And we did a bunch of pop shove tail grabs. It's right here.
cruising on the way back, checking out the awesome landscapes of Durham, Pennsylvania. Place I grew up at, where my friends grew up at. It's pretty nice. Pretty beautiful down there. Check it out, good old Durham. Smash like if you enjoyed this episode of Skate Tutors. Make sure you guys subscribe for more skateboarding travels episodes, and make sure you comment about the videos. Peace out and stay tuned for the next episode of Skate Tutors. And click on one of the boxes for more skateboarding videos.